Hey everyone, Michael here. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope you had a chance to make big plans and set up new goals for this year. I spent the first week of 2019 with my team to plan everything out for this year, and I can't wait for everything to unfold. As you know, I'm super passionate about helping people and helping people build their online businesses. So one of the goals I have for myself for this year is to make a greater impact and help more people succeed online. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. And if you have Instagram, follow me on Instagram as well. All right. Now, in 2019, branding and funnels will be even more important. E-commerce is growing at a tremendous rate. You need to start thinking about the long-term game. Think about how you can set yourself apart from your competition by building your own brand, providing good customer service. You want to also continue to set up funnels to increase your average order value. This will not only help you make more money, but it will also give you a competitive edge over your competition. Facebook advertising gets more expensive each year, so you need to stay competitive. One question I get asked all the time during this time is, should I be running ads during January and February? My answer to you is yes, you should be running ads during this time. In fact, January and February is usually my strongest month compared to Q2 and Q3. Now, summertime for seasonal niches will be strong in the summer, like survival niches. But overall, the first 2 months is very profitable. You can run promos like Overstock sale, New Year sale, or even Valentine's Day sale. So continue running those ads and find new creative angles. For print-on-demand, if you're leveraging US suppliers, you don't have to worry too much about delays. However, if you are doing dropshipping, what you have to do is make sure you know when is the cutoff date for Chinese New Year's holiday. During this time, your suppliers in Asia will have a blackout period for around 1 or 2 weeks, and each suppliers will have a cutoff date at a different time. So make sure you get in contact with your suppliers to find out. Get as much orders in as possible before the cutoff date and continue to keep selling. If there are any complaints, make sure you're on top of it and address any customer issues that comes up. Be proactive in answering your tickets, then you don't need to worry about unhappy customers. Keep your refunds low and apologize for delays, and even offer a discount will be a good idea. All right, so 2019 is going to be a great year, so keep crushing it, make big plans, finish strong. With that, I'll see you on the next video.